Helium10 Profitability Calculator is a simple but powerful tool that can help you to see your real profit on Amazon. But how does it actually work? And how can it save you from losing money on hidden cost? In this video, I will show you everything step by step so that by the end of this video, you will know exactly how to use it to grow your Amazon business smartly. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and boost your productivity. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe and don't forget to check the description for the special offers. Now let's jump in. First of all, let's talk about what is the Helium10 Profitability Calculator. Basically, it is a tool inside the Helium10 Chrome extension that help you to find you how much profit you will actually make on a product before even you list it on Amazon. It calculates everything: the product cost, Amazon FBA fees, the shipping fees, referral fees, and the storage cost. And it gives you the real profit number in seconds. So you can think of it as like your profit mirror. It shows the truth behind every sale. So many sellers think like they are making money but forget about all the small cost. But this tool fixes the problem completely. To use this tool, just open your any product page on Amazon. You can just click on the Helium10 icon and you can select the profitability calculator from the extension. And right away, you will see a full breakdown, including product weight, size, cost, and all the Amazon fees. You can even change the number yourself, like your supplier cost or the shipping rate, and it will instantly show the new profit margin. This helps you to plan better before ordering the product. You can test different suppliers, prices, or even the packaging sizes, and you can see which one gives you the best return. So that means the fewer mistake and the smarter decision every time. Now let's talk about why it's important. Many new sellers lose their money because they don't calculate everything. They think I sell for, let's say, $30 and I buy it like for $15. So I make the profit for the $15. But basically, after Amazon fees, shipping, and other costs, maybe they only make $3. The profitability calculator makes sure that never happens again. However, no tool is perfect. You still need to enter the accurate data. If your numbers are wrong, your result will also be wrong. And remember, this tool only works through the Helium10 Chrome extension, not directly on Amazon Seller Center. So if you are a beginner, it's great to understand where your money goes. If you are already selling, it helps you to optimize your profit and plan your pricing more confidently. Now, it's useful for everyone who wants to make smart moves in the Amazon business. The best part is you can use it for free with Helium10 account. Now, if you upgrade later, you will get more advanced tools like the product research and keyword tracking and all of this kind of thing. So what is the final verdict? The Helium10 Profitability Calculator is one of the most powerful and helpful and also the time-saving tool for Amazon sellers. It is easy to use, accurate, and shows you the real profit before you invest a single dollar in stock. So if you want to sell smarter and scale faster, this is a must-have tool for you. You can try Helium10 for free by using the link from the description. And thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.